Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I have great news for all attendees of the Digital Car Dealer Workshop. As you know, I couldn't be with you this year, but there is a way that we can still connect. In November, we have the Automotive Analytics and Attribution Summit, the AAA Summit in the United States, but we are expanding the reach of this popular conference to go international live stream. So we will be live streaming great content from Holland and Belgium, also from Italy and Mexico, in addition to the United States. The great news is that you can participate. Why should you participate? Well, you'll be able to see all the latest strategies, technology, and thought processes that are happening in the US, and then you'll also be able to learn in language from local marketing experts, local dealer operators. This is going to be the largest automotive live stream event, and it's coming to you November 16th, 17th, and 18th. The 18th, or the third day of the conference, is our International Day. The first 2 days will be all live stream content from the US, and then on the third day, you'll see sessions from Mexico, Italy, Holland, and Belgium, all included in one ticket price. And the best news is that all of the content will be available for 30 days. So of course, you can't reserve so much time to see every speaker, but the good news, you can come back in as many times as you want, replay workshops, panels, or keynotes with your team to help that learning process, to help implement great ideas. So work your schedule to be participating in the live stream event, especially on the 18th, and talk to Paul Vries for access to the conference and special pricing for dealers in Holland, in Belgium, and well, we can't wait to invite you, to welcome you, and share learning to make online automotive better.